Bit of a change of intro to the video. I've had this vlog on my computer for a long time and I kind of forgot about it. I just realised why I forgot about it is because it's an absolute mess. Now, I wanted to do other vlogs after this, I remember, but because I wanted to get the SVX ready for the shows that were coming up, I just didn't have time to film it. So there was going to be one or two more after this, but basically it just ended up being one short bit of a mess of a video. So I thought I'd upload it anyway. Ignore most of what I say in the video pertaining to, you know, showing you me painting stuff, because I don't. Sorry about that, but enjoy this short vlog anyway, and we'll get back to kind of regular content very, very soon. Alright, welcome back to the vlog. Now, originally I was going to get a PDR guy to come and take the dents out the back of the car. Now, I got a price from him. It wasn't the amount that bothered me, it was the fact that he said he could get like 95% of it out, and he said he couldn't guarantee 100%. So, if it was not 100%, then I have to paint it anyway. So, I'm just going to get the dents out myself, save myself a little bit of money. Got to do something I didn't want to do, and that's cut a hole in the back of the car on the inside and push the dent out. Sorry. Obviously I've decided to the fact that I'm going to have to paint these. Just wanted to get the bulk of the dents out first. Make sure I've got the dents out, high spot sorted, sand it, fill it, prime it, paint it with the rest of the stuff. Like I said, I'm not a PDR guy, but I did watch a 10-minute video last night whilst falling asleep in bed, so I'm essentially qualified. If you're wondering why I was hammering down the high spots. My best friend randomly just gifted me something. It's this infrared lamp, which is amazing because that means I don't have to use a heat gun anymore to dry paint. This is a game changer. It heats, rather than heating up the surface, it heats up the substrate, which makes things dry way better and way more efficiently. No messing around, let's get the spats off. Let's start rubbing down. Apparently I did a really good job of sticking that on. Right, sanding. Just got some fiberglass on those repairs. Gonna buzz those down with an 80 grit, put it on the car, put some finer filler on there, rub it down, prime it, rub it down, prime it, fill it, whatever. Yeah, let's go. Block down with 80 and hit it with 240, smooth out a little bit, then we should be good to prime. Right, so I saved you guys the boredom of watching me prime this bumper, so bumper is all primed up, just got to block it down now, and then probably prime it again, but I won't show you that because it's boring. Alright, bumper's rubbed down now, and I've re-primed it. So I've got to flat that down, then it'll be good to paint. Also, I want to say a massive thank you to my friend Andrew. I'm going to link his Instagram down below, who's an amazing photographer as well, who's also a Subaru nerd. His dad's got an SVX, and I've been looking for a rear bumper, obviously, and he managed to source one for me. And there it is right there. So I can't thank him enough. Thank you so much, dude. I really appreciate it. I know I said to you before how much I appreciate it, but I really do. He also managed to get me some sun visors. And I've never had sun visors before working in my car, so up in here, working sun visors. So that is a massive game changer. Now, you might be thinking, why have you got another bumper? Well, obviously I've cut my bumper. You can see like the bumper cut there and everything. The exhaust goes there. That's the original bumper. You can see how much bigger it is. Now, what I'm going to do is I am going to make some different spats with provision to sell them. So I'm going to do like a spat variant, and I'm going to use that bumper to design and make it on, make molds, and then yeah. The whole idea of this is to help fund projects. So I'm going to start making some bits of aero and hopefully selling to some SVX guys, and that can fund other stuff. So once I've done that, I can fiddle around with that new bumper, make some adjustments, maybe cut some bits, and then paint it, put it on the car. Another thing with the bumper is slightly different, you may have noticed, is we've got this indent, this swage line here. Obviously I don't have it on here because I deleted it, purely because the front bumper doesn't have it anymore. So I deleted it for the rear bumper, so it matched. Obviously it looked weird if it did have it. So once those spats are designed and on that, I can yeah, I can play around with that. But I think that's going to do it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bit of a weird one, kind of bouncing back and forth and stuff. So what I'm going to do in the next episode is obviously paint that, paint the spats, paint those bits. What else? And I think that's it. So hopefully after that, the car, we can go out and we can actually do a video of the car out and about. It'll be very, very soon because I've got a show at the start of August, first weekend of August. So the car's going to be done then, and then well, yeah, we can get it out and we can do a little walk around. So hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys real soon. Take care.
Subscribe, you fools.